Hey guys, Sandy here. I am back to show you what I have left in my black and white How to Kill a Kit with Style. Now this kit is pretty killed, you guys. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. That does not belong in there. So for paper, I have this and this. I have to dig to get some of the other, and this. So, you know, not a heck of a lot of paper, which is awesome. I have stuff shoved in here that is not the kit stuff. Okay, so for these chipboards, I have the triangle banners and one little thing that says, "Hey friend." For these Fifth and Monaco letters, now, these kind of got obliterated in two different ways. One is that I used a lot of them, and then another one is I'm missing some of the letters, and who in the world knows where they fell off or what they're stuck to. Can't find them, so I have that. I also killed this sticky back jewels. I mean, there's three little guys right there, but this is killed, completely killed. This sticker sheet, all gone. There's nothing left. These are just where the stars were, so that's gone. This had puffies on it, and that is completely gone. This sticker sheet, just some numbers and one little banner. A good amount of the letters are gone out of this one. Oh, I found another piece of paper. So one more little piece of paper. Oh, look, two of the letters. Have a couple of these circles left, and then these curly Q arrows, which I just struggled with the entire time. The snarky phrases, a lot of them left. I didn't even touch these cut apart words. A lot of the chipboard gone. Things are just stuck all over the place, so we'll put that guy back there. So a lot of those gone. This was a mixed sticker pack that I had. Pulled off a good amount of those. These are what are left out of the two sheets of black and white dots, so I've just got these couple. Almost this entire sheet of puffy stickers is gone. I never even opened these stars. I used 2 words off of this sticker sheet. Still have a decent amount of letters left, so they'll go back in the stash. All of these puffy stickers are gone. I have one little rhinestone thing left here. And then for my townhouse vinyl shapes, I used about half of them. Oops, slinging things around at you guys. I have the 3 rolls of washi tape. Did not use them up. Really wasn't expecting to, but used a good amount, I feel, off of each one. And then didn't use all of the flare either. So I still have a good amount of these guys. And then I barely touched the hearts. But this is all that's left, which isn't a whole heck of a lot when you compare it to the kit that I started with. So I'm pleased with what I used up, and then I will show you guys my kit for the month of May in just a moment. All right, guys, let's get to the May kit. So I have an awful lot of Disney pictures to scrapbook. So I've decided to do some Disney scrapbooking. Now this is the most recent Echo Park collection, Disney-esque collection called A Magical Place. And I haven't broken into it yet, so I pulled that out. And then I pulled some other papers out as well. So I've got this pirate ship paper, this authentique paper. It's got some Disney-esque things on it. This jungle safari, because I thought it would be great for the jungle cruise. I've got this vellum kind of have sparkle paper, this sunburst paper, this awesome Mickey airplane paper, and then I have this partial sheet of paper. It's from Toy Box, along with this one, just a sheet of regular vellum, a sheet of gray cardstock, a partial piece of yellow paper, this partial plaid, this partial floral, a couple of these partial pieces, and then from the Magical Place collection, the chipboard frames, the phrases, and accents. I just pulled, I think, all the Magical Place stuff that I have, so it's just going to be there. And then I have this awesome cut file. It's got the Mickey head and the castle. Now this kit is not going to be one that I am really trying to kill you guys, because even though, here's another partial sheet, even though I probably have enough Disney photos to kill everything in here, I know that I'm not going to, and I'm kind of okay with that. Here's a piece of a page that needs to be scrapbooked along with the photo to go with it. Another photo that just didn't get scrapbooked, that has to go, so those need to be done. I have the Magical Place Brads, puffy stickers. I have the Simple Stories Say Cheese 3 paper pad, the Magical Place sticker book, Magical Place ephemera, some Paper House 3D stickers, some Paper House Florida frames and acetate pieces. I've got this bad boy, I've got an R2-D2, I've got the Mine Train from Paper Wizard, a couple little enamel shapes from an older Echo Park collection, some more decorative brads from an older Echo Park collection, and then I have some embellishments. I've got this ribbon. Whee! It's a long ribbon. And then I have these two metal tins that just have various embellishments, cut-aparts, all those kind of good things. These kind of live in my Disney pile, so there's a lot of stuff to dig through and pick through in these. Like I said, we're not trying to kill this kit. I've got these Mickey ears. These are brads. And then I pulled in my stamps. So these Star Wars stamps, this one from Echo Park, these words ones, these guys right here, then like this princess-esque one, and then this one, which you can tell I've used, and this guy as well. So I've got all of the stamp sets, and then I'm going to pull in some of the stuff that didn't get used, like these stars from last month's kit, or not finished, like this chipboard and the hearts, and this guy, and the frame, and the flare things. Like, I feel like I could probably use at least some of them this month. So that is the kit for this month. Definitely not trying to kill it. I'm just trying to use some of it up and really just kill some photographs, because I have an insane amount of Disney photos that need to be scrapbooked, and I just got back from another Disney trip that has an insane amount of Disney photos to be scrapbooked. So gonna make some headway this month. Make sure you click on the links down below, because you'll be able to see everyone who is playing along with a Kill-A-Kit with style this month. And everyone's kit's going to be different. They'll have different themes, different goals, and it's really fun to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you again real soon for another video.